guys, we are here up in the mountains and we are going to get a Christmas tree today, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys how we do it. And this is actually really fun doing it. And it's a sunshine, blue sky today. Very nice day today, guys. So the family is here to get a Christmas tree. And we have Rae Rae with us, guys. Hi, Rae Rae. You say hi? All right, did you find a good one?
What do you think about this one?
Look at that one. It looks like it's a real nice one. It's not full. If you need to get a Christmas tree, we have to pay $5 on this, and you can get it to any U.S. forestry service through online, or you can go to their offices. This is the fun part, guys, is we are looking for, we call it the perfect tree. So we're still looking, we're hunting for a beautiful tree, guys. That one is fuller. Yeah. Or that one. Smell good.
Yeah, these are all.
Then you know it's Christmas.
I think this one is better, right?
Snow starts to fall.
They're both good.
Then you
That one is good too.
Hey, honey.
for the children above all.
We're right here, guys.
I'm in the woods.
Then you know it's Christmas.
I didn't. It's still there.
Santa's on his way. We stand under the mistletoe. And then it's
All right, we're
Christmas
still
Day.
looking, guys. I think, but we already found something. It looks like we have a deer tracks in here. Going that way.
And gathers all his friends when Santa and his missus wraps the
Right, it's so quiet and peaceful in here, guys.
You
It's
know
really
it's
nice.
time for Christmas for each and every one.
Let's go over here. See what we have. We have a lot of deer tracks in here. You can tell, definitely tell there's a lot of wild animals here. Hi, Kojack. Let me try this one.
And then you know it's Christmas. Snow starts to
That
fall.
one is okay.
And then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. And then you know it's Christmas 'cause Santa's on his way. We stand under the mistletoe. And then it's
I'm right here.
Christmas Day.
You okay? Yeah.
Not too cold yet.
You okay?
She said no. No. You guys want one of those trees?
I think we're good. What do you think?
I like it. I like that one right there.
Huh?
Saws that. That's a good tree.
Wait, that was the one that Hector wanted, right?
No, right here. This is
No,
what
it's
he
for you
wants.
guys. One of those two I thought would be great. Lester picked that.
You guys want
That one is a little bit taller.
All right, come here. Finish shake a tree and I'll bust the snow.
You silly. You okay? That looks like it's a fuller one. Say good job. Yeah. Look at that tall one. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh. There's 3 in there, CC, you can pick. But this one is a good one too.
I know, I was thinking about that for you guys.
Yeah, I like this one. I think I like that one. The only thing though, it might be, it looks nice on the top, but on the bottom,
It's like nothing.
let me see. Yeah, there's nothing on the bottom.
Here, do it to this one.
Mm-hmm. The one we over there we picked, honey, it's a lot nicer. That's too tall. Yeah, that's taller.
The other one was much taller.
The one you guys got last year,
Oh yeah.
this one is taller.
The one we got last year was taller than this.
Hey, that's pretty good.
He's really good.
I just can't shake it. I need a video of that, Dad.
What? What is that? What? 12 foot?
I was gonna say,
You guys like this one? All right, we found a tree for Karina and Hector.
gonna fall that way, okay?
Yeah. Okay, watch out, honey. Yeah. All right, one down. All right, guys, we are looking for that one tree that we want.
You want that one or that one? Which one?
Which one's better?
I don't know. They're both great. They're different. I think they're actually different kinds.
Is that?
This one looks better.
This one?
You like this one?
Yeah.
Ruby.
Okay.
Well, just cut as low as I can to the.
Yeah. All right. Just can trim that bottom.
Actually, I like this one.
This one? No. Up here. Alright, that's good.
Happy boys.
There you go, $85.
Sweet. Yeah. We should do this a few more hundred times.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
It's really skinny.
Alright. Here's our tree, guys.
Oh, Kojack, stay here.
Alright, guys, we are resting and having a hot chocolate. Alright, guys, we are done picking our tree. So we're gonna go back home and then we're gonna go out to eat. We're just gonna drop Kojack home because he's a little bit rowdy in the truck if we leave him there. So we're gonna go ahead and drop him home and then we're gonna go get something to eat for lunch. Hey guys, we are done picking the trees, so I will see you guys later. If you have not subscribed, please like, subscribe, and share my channel, guys, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Christmas is coming. Start sending your letters off to Santa. Christmas is coming, yeah. Better be nice if you want your present. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too. Christmas is coming, yeah. Staying up late looking out the window, yeah. Christmas is coming, yeah. Spotting some sleigh rides and some jingles.